In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create a Target or a Cartwheel account. Let's get started. First, launch your Target app or navigate to the official website of Target. Then navigate to this My Target page. Here you're going to find this option of Sign in or Create Account. You'll need to click on that. Now you'll be prompted to type in your email address or the phone number that you want to link with your Target account. After you type in that, click on Continue. Now you'll need to fill in these details. Complete your profile by typing your first name, last name, phone number, then create account with passkey or create account with password. Select the option of your choice. After you fill in all these details, click on Continue. Now verification code will be sent to your email address or the phone number. Check your mail or phone number, type in the code and click on Verify. Now here you can save a passkey, click on Add Passkey. Allow the Face ID permission for Target. And once you complete this process, your account will be created. So this way you can easily create Target or Cartwheel account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.